How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. As you guys can see, I just took an initial entry on my first trade of the day. I did miss the market open trades, but it's completely fine. It might be a little harder to find a solid setup now, but we will for sure get it done. This is my first trade of the day, GFAI. I just added about 1,000 shares. I'm definitely not in all the way. I need those 685 fills. I'm waiting for 685. And then I will add about another 2,000 shares. Yeah, I think this is setting up very nicely for another break over VWAP. I love this little break under VWAP that we had, and now we're just consolidating, holding it very nicely, and holding up very nicely. We haven't dumped or anything. And yeah, I just don't see anything else carrying momentum right now that's worth a run like this. So definitely think we should see easily 7.3, 7.4s. Hopefully we can get some more 680 fills. $7.15 is probably the first area that I will start to take profits, but hopefully this starts to turn around pretty. I'm not going to let it consolidate above support for longer than 10 minutes, because always keep in mind, guys, the longer something tests support, the higher chance it has of breaking support every single time it tests it. So you don't want to see something just keep sitting on support for a while, because it just means that there's a higher chance of it breaking support the longer it stays there. Same goes with the resistance, by the way. But getting ready to stop out here on the first trade of the day. I only need to step up here. We need to make a move. We need to at least test $7 within the next couple of minutes. Come on. I need some strength. GFAI. Considering sizing down a little bit on this position, if I do end up taking a loss, I want to minimize that loss as much as possible, so we can still have a solid green day by the next couple of trades. Come on, GFAI, do something for me here. Do something. Come on, GFAI. Give us a VWAP test, please. VWAP test, I'm feeling it for sure. Come on. Let's get that full candle close above 7. We are starting to make moves here on GFAI. Next thing I want is VWAP test at 712, and boom, there we go. I'm going to give it a second so I can get some good fills, and I will start scaling out at that 710, 712 area. 705 fills, not too bad. I will scale out just a little bit here. Yeah, as you guys know, I'm not a risky trader, especially in markets like this. I want to take my profit and dip as soon as possible. Great fills at 711. I'm gonna hold my last 1,500 shares. We are up about $700 total on the trade. Beautiful trade on GFAI. I saw that perfectly coming. It tried to fake us out over here, and I'm sure it did fake out a lot of people, but not us. We added those dips. That's why I never use a stop loss. Only always use mental stop losses, because I know damn well I would have never stopped out there. But a lot of people would have put a stop loss and just stopped out at that area. Oh shit. Okay, perfect. Hopefully we can get this breakout over 7.1, and that will be very exciting. I'm gonna scale out a little more here. 709 feels not too bad. Definitely could be better, but not gonna complain, as we just did get a very, very nice first trade of the day. It is a little bit late on the day, so I don't even know if I might trade again, but I will continue watching for the next couple hours, and if something comes up, definitely gonna make my second trade. I will minimize my size a little bit, but yeah, we will see. Hope you guys learned something from this trade. Always be confident. Don't pussy out on the small moves, because they will always be out to get you. It's a perfect lesson of what just happened on GFAI. Honestly, I might just get out just to secure profits. You never know. We could definitely reject VWAP here very easily, but it just doesn't give me those vibes. Okay, I'm probably just going to take profits. Alright guys, we just collected profits at around 7.09. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. I am about to get in my second trade of the day here after GFAI, which was a very, very solid winner for us. I definitely think that SGMA is next. Just added around 1,500 shares. Just gonna keep it on watch for a couple of minutes. I really, really like this consolidation, and honestly, I don't think anything else will step up for Power Hour nearly as strong as this will. Just added another 1,500 shares on top of my original 1,500, but let's see if this is able to hold 365, get that full candle close above 365, maybe even 3.7, and that would be incredible. Here we go. We are breaking out above 3.7. Let's see if we can close the day off right here with this second trade. That is awesome. Come on, give me a new high day. This just looks ready. I think I might just let this go for a new high day, to be honest. Definitely has those looks. Volume is there. Buyers are stepping in. Give me high day, baby. This will close off the day perfectly for us, team. So let's see. Lower wick right here, and give me high day. Come on, baby. Watch this lower wick come in, boys. We are about to see high day. Maybe not high day, as sellers may come in again and just completely shut it down for the day, but I'm hoping for at least 385s, 390. Up around $200 on the position currently, now $300, but it is attempting that lower wick. Buyers are stepping in at that upper 360 area. So let's see if we can close this lower wick and just make a whole surge forward to high day. Give me high day, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. It is breaking out. Let's get that full candle close above 380. Maybe even 390s here. I do want to say, even though it is Power Hour, it is late into the day. This is my second trade, and as you guys know, I'm not really a risky trader whatsoever, so I will begin to take profits here. Sold 500 shares, got that 385 fill. Another 500 shares out, 380s. Up around $400, $500 total on this position. Let's see if we can close that though. Give me high day, baby. I know this has it in it. This was the perfect second trade. That breakout was just absolutely perfect, and It was just setting up way too nice. There was literally nothing else going, nothing else setting up whatsoever. This was the only thing that had looks. So like I always tell you guys, minimize the tickers that actually have chances of running within the next 30 minutes. You know, a lot of times I can, you know, probably 90% of the time, I can choose 2 tickers that will always be the ones that run in the next 30 minutes. Because I can, you know, a lot of people, if you were to just take the time and look through every single chart that's running, you can minimize exactly what you think has the highest chances of running and what's setting up to run within, you know, the next 30 minutes or hour. And especially now that it is power hour and I know something is going to make a very solid move, I, you know, took a look at SGMA, I took a look at SVRE, I took a look at GFAI. I just had a bunch of stocks open, and SGMA to me looked like the only one that actually had chances of doing something for power hour. And it worked out perfectly. What can I say? We are up around $500 total. Looking to close out some more over here. Awesome fills at 387. I do want to sell another 500. I couldn't get those fills at 387. Filled at 381, but I am just trying to close that $500 green on this position. So see if we can honestly probably gonna take my profits here. Dang it, weren't able to close above $500, but we did profit $490 on this trade. I just wanted to take profit, not really gonna risk anything. There are a lot of sellers in this area, and I would not be surprised at all if this thing came down to retest 365s. Hope you guys learned something from these 2 trades that I took. SGMA was just a very, very, you know, basic trade that I take at least once a day, to be honest. You know, a trade like this where I would just be in and out for a small profit based off literally nothing else running, and this being one of the only things that was setting up with buyers present, and with buyers actually eating up the dips. You can see on these lower wicks, buyers were just accumulating heavily in this lower 3.4 area. So that kind of also helped my consensus of it breaking out. I hope you guys learned something from this, and let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions. Make sure you guys join the Discord, link in bio, free Discord. Let me know if you guys have any questions at any time. Just throw me a tag, and yeah, let's keep killing it, team.